Don't worry, I've got you. So we've all been there. I did it a few months ago. I accidentally deleted a video off my TikTok and it had like 140,000 likes. I was absolutely devastated. But luckily now TikTok has added a new feature and I am going to save your TikTok video. But when you do, come back here, pay the piper, and please subscribe. Subscriptions help me out a lot. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile and you're going to click the hamburger menu in the top right, the little three lines, and you're going to go to settings and privacy. Then you're going to scroll down all the way to activity center. In here, you're going to see an option for recently deleted. We're getting close, we're getting warm, we're nearly done it. Don't forget to come back and subscribe. Then you're going to click the recently deleted, and in here, you can see every video you've deleted in the past 30 days. What a godsend, I know. Now, you're going to go to the video that you want to restore, click it, and hit restore. Now, the best part about this is, if it was in the algorithm and it was being shown, it was in the For You page and the views were going up, that will continue. Also, if it was a video response, it will go straight back to where it was in the comment section thread, like it was never deleted. So, don't forget to come back if this works for you and drop me a subscribe. Have a good day. Love.